Dear students, how are you? I think that you are very well by the grace of Almighty. I am also very fine in this corona pandemic situation. Dear learners, you have already known that we have crossed a pandemic situation, yet the government has opened all the institutions for your betterment. In this aspect, we have also continued our online classes for your betterment. Dear learners, before going to my class, I introduce myself. I am Samiran, Assistant English Teacher, Banshanta, Pinak, Pani High School, Dakopurla. Dear learners, we have already discussed many items about grammar. Today we will discuss also a grammar item. Today we will discuss about transformation, especially affirmative to negative. Okay, dear learners, please follow the board and write down our today's topic name: transformation, affirmative to negative. Dear learners, transformation, our today's topic, affirmative to negative. We know assertive sentence has two parts, affirmative and negative. At first, we will discuss about only. If we find only in a sentence and it is directed to negative, then what will our word or our task? Dear students, if we find only before the person, then we put non-word at the place of only. Example: only Allah can help us. Negative. Dear learners, here we find there is an adverb only, and instead of only we put here non-word. Allah can help us. Here we put non-word because Allah is a person. So when we find only before the person, then we put non-word instead of only. Then if we find only before the object or an object, then what will our task? My mother likes only sweet. Dear learners, here we find is an adverb, this is only, and this only sits before the word sweet. Sweet is an object. So what is our answer? My mother likes nothing but sweet. Dear learners, here we put nothing but at the place of only because sweet is an object. Okay, learners, if we find an age or countable number, then what is our task? Zin was only 25. Dear learners, here we find only and here we find if or countable number. Then what will our answer? Z was not less than 25. Not less than or not more than. We put not less than and not more than instead of only. Okay, dear learners, today we will discuss about affirmative to negative, and in my next class I also will discuss about some rules of affirmative to negative. Now your homework: he has only 2 pens. Only Rohim can do it. Okay, dear learners, today we discussed affirmative to negative, especially only. We will meet again in my next class. Okay, dear learners, please safe and sound. Thank you all.